Hi everyone, it's Valerie Sheridan with Easy Peasy Living, back with some more Wednesday wisdom. And yes, I am still out on my deck because if you guys haven't figured it out by now, I may as well confess that I usually videotape all of my Wednesday wisdom segments for a month in advance. So yes, I'm still out on the deck. I probably will actually still be out on the deck next week anyway, but just in case you were wondering, I thought I'd fess up. So we have been talking in the month of May about simple solutions to just make your life a little bit easier. And this week I'm going to share with you a few tips using just this one simple tool that I know you have lying around your house. Everybody has these. This is just a cardboard tube from a roll of toilet paper, and yes, you can use this to make life easier. So the first way is you can cut down one side of it and wrap it around a roll of wrapping paper, or you don't even have to cut it. If your wrapping paper roll is fat enough, you can really just slide this down over top, and it will help to keep the wrapping paper closed without damaging the paper itself. So that is use number one. Use number two is it's a very handy spot to put if you have a whole bunch of those little hair ties. And you out there, you moms with little girls, may really appreciate this. This was a game changer for me when my daughter used to wear her hair in a French braid every day, and she always wanted to have a hair tie that coordinated with her outfit. And so fishing out just the right hair tie out of the basket was sometimes a chore, so I came up with this solution. You just load them onto this cardboard tube and you are ready to go. You can easily find the one that you want. Okay, and last but not least, you can use these for containing short strings of lights. Now, if you have a long string of lights, you might want to use a wrapping paper tube or a paper towel tube, which will be longer. But the idea is that you cut a notch in one end and you tuck the plug into that so that the plug is on the inside of the tube, and then you just wind your string of lights around it and you cut a notch in the other end and you tuck the very end of the string into that end, and you can easily pack these into a larger storage container if you have a whole bunch of them. But when you are ready to set up your lights again next time, you are not going to be faced with a big tangled up knot. So I hope that you guys will give some of these a try. Let me know how it goes. I would always love to hear from you at valerie@easypeasyliving.com. And if you like this video, as always, I ask that you please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be back again next week on my deck, yes, on my deck, with some more simple solutions to make life easier. Until then, keep it easy peasy.